In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to supercharge your language learning. Let's start by getting you into Perplexity AI. Open your web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website, or launch the Perplexity app if you already have it installed. Make sure you're on the genuine site or the official app from your device's store, so everything runs smoothly and securely. Next, sign in or create your account. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your details. If you're brand new, click Sign Up and follow the prompts. It only takes a moment, and having an account helps you keep your settings consistent across devices. Now you're ready to interact. In the main prompt box, type something in the language you're learning or about that language. You could start simple, translate good morning to Spanish. Or go deeper, ask for grammar explanations, vocabulary tips, or sentence corrections. The key is to be specific. For example, say, explain when to use the preterite versus the imperfect in Spanish with beginner-friendly examples. If you're unsure how to pronounce something, ask for phonetic help or an easy breakdown. Once you're comfortable with prompts, use Perplexity to practice conversations. Tell it to role-play a cafe scene in your target language, and reply as you would in real life. Ask it to correct your sentences as you go, and to suggest more natural alternatives. You can even ask it to slow down the difficulty or to highlight common mistakes learners make, so you build confidence step by step. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official website link, as well as the app download link, right at the top of the description to make getting started easy. Check that out when you're ready. To deepen your understanding, explore grammar and vocabulary systematically. Ask for clear grammar rules with multiple example sentences. Request themed word lists like travel, food, or work, and get phrases you can actually use in daily life. If a rule seems confusing, ask for a simpler explanation and a few short practice sentences you can repeat out loud. Make review a habit. Keep notes of new words, example sentences, and corrections you receive. Revisit the toughest items the next day, and aim for short, consistent sessions. This daily rhythm compounds your progress quickly. When you're ready for more, ask Perplexity to create reading exercises, dialogues, or mini language games. You can request short stories with comprehension questions, timed vocabulary quizzes, or scenario-based drills. As you improve, ask it to gradually increase difficulty and include cultural tips to make your learning more authentic. Stick with these steps, keep practicing, and you'll notice steady, real-world improvement. Thanks for watching.